I'm Thomas Martinez from Jersey. I have a 2016 Lexus GS 350 F Sport Edition. I originally got into Lexus back in 2014 when I bought my first IS, and once that was 2 years old, I ended up getting the GS, which was a little bigger. My first actual modification was when I was looking for the lip kit through NIA. At that time, you guys didn't make it yet. You guys were in the process of making it. I waited for that. But I've got lots of work wheels, gloss black finish, the 9s in the front, staggered back, or 11s. I just recently did the wrap. It was designed by Eddie from Bad Bunny Crew. We ended up going with the Japanimation, dragging into the hood, scales throughout. GSF brake caliper, got the headlight system going. Probably my second or third modification was the headlights. Painted factory Sonic blue, done with halos. The whole housing was done in satin black. As far as the interior goes, it's not a whole lot done, but I definitely did the red carbon fiber trim, also red shift paddles, soon to be a new steering wheel. So that'll be one of my future mods coming here soon. I also want to do complete the interior, do all that red carbon fiber, as well as the outside, complete, just find pieces to start doing in blue carbon fiber. So that way on the inside I have the red and the outside I have the blue, which matches with everything else. Anything else that I want to do, it's going to be a day-to-day thing, you know. You just kind of like, one day you want to do something, next day you want to do something else. Right now, I'm kind of happy with the car the way it is, but for next season, I'm sure something will come up. So I definitely want to do a shout out to NIA, first of all, which was one of the best mods as well. Once you do that, it just changes the complete look of the car. Another shout out to Bad Bunny Crew, Eddie, who's always there step by step. You know, anything I want to get done, he's always going to be there to either help me out or, you know, show me the way in order to get it done. So definitely a big one to Bad Bunny Crew. As well as Go-To Customs, who did the headlights, and everything else is pretty much self-done.